Hi friends and friendly subscriber, welcome back to my channel. This is Inner Hill Tarot, and today we're going to do unboxing, a silent flip through and hot takes of this Galactic Heritage Cards Oracle by Lisa Royal-Holt, illustrated by David Chow. I usually didn't do that much oracle deck in this channel, but this one is a little bit different. The first time I saw it, it's from Esotero, one of her Esotero pick a pile, and it's about the star seed. Why are you here? That one, and I'm really impressed of her ability to read. And I'm impressed with this Galactic Heritage Cards as well, because it's a lot of character that I never knew. In general. It's depicted in this in her reading, and so it comes with a really nice guidebook as well. I don't know when this is published actually. It's published actually in 2013 and revised 2019. And I'm glad that I got it, because I don't think there's so many of this deck, to be quite honest. And outside of Esotero, also Kinotero at the same time doing another reading about star seeds. They are friends, so a lot of times they collaborate together, and I'm really impressed with both of their reading using this deck. So I decided to buy, and because I'm also identified as star seeds, I really would like to know what is my heritage myself. And yeah, I would like to learn more and read more with this deck actually. So yeah, let's get to it, shall we? Okay guys, but before I started the silent flip through and then afterwards to do the hot takes, please don't forget to do what? Bum, badaram, bum, bum. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment if you come to my channel again and again and see these videos of mine. Okay, that's the only way you can help me to expand this channel at this point. And thank you so much for your time. Okay, so let's start the silent flip through. Enjoy. Okay guys, we just finished the silent flip through of this beautiful Galactic Heritage Cards oracle that actually yeah, right off the bat it left me very confused. Well, first of all, because I'm not really familiar with the work of Lisa Royal-Holt actually, and apparently if we read in the box, there's a saying that this 108 card divination system based on material from Lisa Royal-Holt's groundbreaking work, The Prism of Lyra, that's designed to help you tap into your star lineage and karmic patterns while revealing lessons brought to Earth from the stars and how those lessons can be used in your life on Earth right now. So there is a book prior to this deck that I didn't know existed before, and maybe that's why when I open up the cards, I got a lot of confusion. Basically, when I first few cards, I just see the parallel. What does that means, you know? But then it started to become Lyra with the past and then present and future. So it seems to me that the creatures depicted in the cards is actually representing the energy of, for example, this creature representing the energy of pulse of life and galactic core in a parallel universe, something like this. Maybe without reading the nice guidebook, I'm just flying by my intuition here. That's the feeling that I got, and it's not necessarily a figure wisely, but it's just more like an energy representative of what is change mean in a parallel universe with Andromeda looks like, you know. So, and yeah, some cards also very like, I think it's a progression of energy feeling, like for example 3 change and it looks like this, and then 4 it start to kind of dissolving a little bit, this figure, and then the 5th is even dissolving even further, right? So, and then on the 6th it's become something else altogether, but quite similar. Let's see all these 4 cards. So for example, looks like this. So it's kind of like talking about alchemy, the alchemical process in the parallel universe. For example, this one is like in the parallel universe with Andromeda. So what is change looks like, it seems like number 3 until 6 is like change, confusion, and then the fluidity, new paradigm. So to me it feels like when there is a pulse of change or there is a need for change in Andromeda, it's not so much like in Earth or something like that. They're more, it seems like they're more fluid in shape shifting themselves into something that's probably new, more needed at that particular time, something like this. So instead of 1 head, it's become 2 heads. So that's intuitively what I read and I see with this card so far. And there's still like, there's also many cards that look similar as well. For example, like the Arcturus, right? So right off the bat, when I do the silent flip through with this deck, I feel a little bit otherworldly feeling in a way, if that's a word. And it's like I feel a little bit doozy actually, and because I think I'm not really sure what I'm looking at, you know. And the more I look at it, the more I feel like I hypnotize myself almost. So I think we really need to read the book first, and at least the guidebook. What is that all about, all of these images, you know, because they are really captivating you, but at this, because there is like story in it and the similarities, but at the same time it's a bit confusing to me, even though I really like the colors and the concepts. So I think I have to read more of the guidebook. What is this all about actually, this Galactic Heritage Cards? So yeah, and the fact that it has like 108 cards, there's a lot of work going into this deck, I guess. So that is my hot takes. I think I'm going to use this deck from time to time, especially when I do starseed reading, of course. But yeah, let me know what you think. If you also use this deck, have you ever, what kind of reading that you get from it, and is it different from the other tarot and usual oracle cards? Please let me know in the comment. And again, guys, don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment my videos if you like them, and if it's benefited you. It's my wish that all of the videos that I make is somehow benefited people who watch it, and either they decided to work with any particular deck in that video, or yeah, maybe not. You know, but yeah, thank you so much again also for your time of watching this video. I really appreciate your energy. So thank you so much, and see you in another videos. Have a nice day and night anytime you watch this video. Okay.